You start by pressing the middle button on the left-hand side of the screen. Press Enter to enter into General Settings. Scroll down to 1130, Stationary Regeneration. Press Enter. Press Enter again. Press Up to turn on Enable, and press Enter. Press X one time. Scroll down to 1140 DPF Regeneration Mode. Press Enter. Press Enter again. Press the up arrow for Forced, and press Enter. Press X 2 times. Scroll down to 7000 Engine and press Enter. Press Enter for 7140. Press Enter. Press the up arrow to turn on Service Regeneration and press Enter. Press X button 3 times. The engine is now ready to start. Once the regeneration has been completed, when you power the controller off, all of the settings go back to default. Please refer to the unit's instruction manual for additional information.